Hello, how's everybody doing? I'm here with my sister-in-law. We're at the Bellevue Mall in Washington State, just north of Seattle. We ate dinner here earlier. We're both stuffed. It is Thursday, July 2nd, around 6:30 p.m. I'm in town for a few days before I fly off to Honolulu, and that'll happen Sunday morning. And then once I get there, hello, I am going to fly off to Cebu, Philippines, do my COVID test, go through a couple days of quarantine, and then head on up to Manila by way of Philippine Airlines. Anyways, we're going to take a short walk through the mall here, kind of show you around. Now, like I said, it is July 2nd, so we are just, I guess, a few weeks past the whole incident that we all know about from Minneapolis and the subsequent chaos that went on following that event. And this mall, I guess, was no exception. They had their fair share of trouble here with looters and whatnot, so you wouldn't be able to tell because it's pretty well cleaned up, but there are some stores that are boarded up. Downstairs, mainly on the first floor, there are a few stores that are boarded up still because they have not reopened yet. And of course, you can imagine they are the high name brand stores like Burberry. I think Champs Sporting Goods got hit. We'll take a look at that.
Kate Spade.
Which one?
Kate Spade.
Kate Spade?
Yeah.
Yep, be careful. And yeah, I didn't understand that. Kate Spade?
Yeah, Kate Spade.
Okay. See, I don't know all those places, so I'll just take her word for it. So, anyways, I had the miso ramen for dinner tonight. What did you have, Nanette? Oshu. Yeah, and then I order 10 gyos a piece, and then she only eats one, and I end up eating 9. And then, yeah, she didn't help me out at all in that area, so I'm walking around bloated right now. And then, of course, last night she tricked me into buying well, not really tricked me, but I bought a big ass piece of cheesecake, and she didn't even help me eat that. I had to eat that all by myself, but that wasn't so bad. Okay, so let's take a look here. We got downstairs. Some of these stores, again, like I said, are kind of boarded up. Like, I don't know, that place maybe. Yeah, see, that's not open yet. I'm not gonna walk down there right now, but yeah. So we walked past here a little while ago, and I was like, huh, I wonder what's going on with Burberry. They go out of business or something? No, not so much the case. So, yeah. But at least they got the glass replaced. Looks like they'll probably be open soon. As soon as they can get the store restocked. So, yeah, let's spin around. Let's go around this way.
Yeah, so that's a Kate Spade. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice mall. For those who still go to malls. Not so much myself. This is the First mall I've been in probably a year.
Even the Michael Kors.
Yeah, I don't even know who that is. Other name brand. So yeah, you can tell, you can see down there, they're closed up. I mean, most of the stores are open, but you know, most of them on the first floor. I mean, a lot on the first floor got hit. But yeah, gotta love it, huh? Smile.
Even I'm smaller, I'm flooring with my
Yeah. So we're kind of on our way out of here. We're gonna go outside. So show you a little bit more of this, and then we'll be near the exit here in a couple minutes, if that.
Would you like some coffee?
Maybe later, if there's a Caribou around. I'm not really. Starbucks is kind of. Which one do you like better? Or doesn't matter?
Starbucks once in a while.
Okay.
Do my coffee home.
Yep. So my first mall visit in Washington State. It's pretty cool. The dinner was awesome. That restaurant that we ate at was just. What was? Seahawks. Mariners. All right, take a quick trip down the escalator. And there again, Champs. You know damn Champs was gonna get hit. Any place like Champs, Foot Locker. Gotta get those high tops, man. Gotta get those high tops. Anyways, all right, we'll pick back up here in a few minutes. Yep. Very nice. Hey Nanette, can you help me?
Sure.
Just check that. It's REC, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay, good. To make sure. All right, so we are rolling with the video here. What do you want to do? Walk down this way?
Yeah, we can walk away.
Bellevue Arts Museum. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got some tall buildings going on up through the trees there. Yeah, pretty sweet. So we'll just do a little walk around, a little walk and talk. Again, I'm only here till, it's today's Thursday, July 2nd, once again, and I'm here till Sunday morning. Catch my flight out to Honolulu. Oh wow, yeah. Catch my flight out to Honolulu Sunday morning. Stay the night Sunday, and then Monday morning we should be, as long as the flight does not get canceled, Monday morning should be headed out to Cebu, Philippines, and go to Manila from there. And then there she is. The sister-in-law. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nanette. What do you do, Nanette? You a nurse? Are you a helper? Nurse helper?
Helping patients.
Are you a doctor?
Patients care.
Lab tech? What?
It's patients care.
Patients care? Okay.
It's a word.
And if we want to get to Interstate 405, then we just go up to this next light and take a left, and that'll bring us to I-405. Imagine that's a bypass around Seattle. It's a really nice night. It's a little bit cooler than Minnesota. I wasn't expecting that. I checked the weather here today, it was 66 degrees. And then I went and looked at the weather in St. Paul, Minneapolis, and it was 90, 91, something like that. I was like, wait a minute. Seattle's 25 degrees colder than Minnesota? I thought Minnesota was like the coldest place on the planet. But apparently not. However, I think Minnesota has Washington beat when it comes to cold winters, so, but it's just the summers that are kind of different. So, yeah, too bad we couldn't go down to Chop or Chaz or whatever that place is called, where all the Antifa guys are hanging out. Well, they're not there anymore. They got booted today or yesterday. They got booted. I think today. But anyways, yeah, nice area. Check this out. Some nice little what, condos maybe over there?
Yep.
Probably really expensive, I would imagine. And yeah, not a bad neighborhood. Yeah. If you're kind of into that whole urban feel, lifestyle, you know, I think you would probably like it in this area. Lots of good food. Obviously, public transit is good. Yeah. Seems kind of quiet, peaceful. Anyways, we'll pick back up in a second. All right.